Love having a wash tank to wash my parts. Pressing out and pressing in new bushings. Taking the brakes and the spindles apart. New motorcraft brake rotors. Some new steering linkage. Cleaning up my axle shafts and putting in new U-joints. Resealing the differential. Bolting everything together. It's looking pretty good. New springs, new spring seats. And it's coming together and I'm happy so far. Nothing torqued down yet, but making progress. New bushings pressed in. New ball joints in the knuckles. Making progress. Coming together. New rotors on. New springs and shocks and sway bar bushings. Enjoying the summer day. My cat Kevin taking a nap. My new KO2s with my painted rims. My new Redhead steering box. And pitman arm. Okay, Redhead steering box installed with the new Borgeson steering shaft. Also new tie rod ends, ball joints, pitman arm, new links, new shocks, new springs, new sway bar, bushings, new U-joints, new differential seals. So this should drive like a new vehicle. System. Not a racket pinion, it's a old style, what do you call it, a recirculating ball, worm gear. When I took the original 34-year-old steering gear off, there was definite play in there. You know, I had sucked out the old fluid and replenished it. Fluid that was inside the steering box itself was burnt and black. It smelled like bleh. gotta use them.